Okay, this is my team with Chris Danforth, which keeps expanding. I'm sure we don't have everyone actually, but we're trying. So yes, people have gone off to do all sorts of cool things. Some of them have come through with masters and then gone off to other places. So we have Ryan now is at Northeastern, where they have a great networks institute, one of the 2 or 3 in the US that I think are really strong. People are doing all sorts of things. We've got Suma over in Apple. So there are lots of people that I could connect you with. Isabel, I mentioned before, is our person at Facebook. So she's in charge of, she was, just gave the Facebook, the big show. I don't know what they call Facebook's big show, but she, where Zuckerberg gets up and says self-incriminating things probably, but she's the one, she's leading the charge to make, for algorithmic fairness, right? Trying to create algorithms that test other algorithms for whether they have bias in them, which is obviously extremely hard, but that's what she's been, that's what she's now in charge of. So we're excited about all these people. All right. Oh, we have a Strava Story Lab team for Strava fans. That's not obligatory. All right. Okay, so if you want to read more about our group, this is probably a good place to go. So ridiculously, we ended up with an article written about us in Outside Magazine, and it's really nicely done and pretty enjoyable. So that's it. Okay, the courses, as I've mentioned, right, you're in PoCS, then I have complex networks. I think linear algebra, yes. Who had linear algebra with me? I think it's only, yes, right, yeah. So that was the last time I taught, I guess. That was a couple of years ago, right? 2016? Yeah. Anyway, it's a great joy. Matrixology. And Chris teaches these ones. I think he's running numerical analysis now. But these 2 courses in particular have been research incubators. Now things are changing, right? This is a much larger group of people. It's been going up, the number's been going up, and now we're above 40. So I'm gonna have to really think hard about how we do this. But the plan has been do projects in class, all sorts of things can happen, they explode, it's real research for some, and I'll talk about them a little bit later on. But many of them have led to papers, and there's sort of 45 papers that have some trace through this course, and the complex networks one. So that's been a really, I didn't think that would, that took maybe a couple of years to sort of think of that idea actually, and so that's a really integrated part of what we do in this. What I'm doing in these courses is building this research side.